Okay, back again. This is video number 2. So we're going to do problem number 9. So we are given that the two polygons below are similar. Okay, so given that they're similar, we know their angles are congruent. I'll use the sign for congruency. And we know their sides are proportional. Don't tell me they didn't do that. Oh, that was mean of them, huh? Okay, angles are congruent, sides are proportional. I'm going to get close to that side. Okay, so write the proportionality statement. Remember, proportionality statement, as we talked about today in class, has to do with the sides. Okay, so, and the sides have to be done in order. So right off the bat, we'll go left to right, and so side 15, okay, we're going to make the ratio 15 over 20. Okay, change colors. Okay, 18 over 24. Okay. Now, we don't know what this line is, okay? We might guess that it's 24 because that's 18 and 18, but we don't know. So we just leave it out of the whole equation. So, but we do need to do 12 compared to the question mark. Okay. So this is your proportionality statement. If you had just written this, then that would have been just fine. So now we have to simplify our ratios. So if we look at the first ratio, best thing to do is divide by 5. So you get 3 over 4 is equal to, you divide the 18 by 6 and you get 3. You divide the 24 by 6 and you get 4. Okay, so those are both equal to 3/4, so it's looking good. So now we have to write or figure out what the question mark is that's going to make this proportion, 12 over something, equal to 3/4. Okay, so again, we can cross multiply. So I'll change here. Okay, so 4 times 12 is going to be equal to 3 times the question mark. Okay, 48 equal to 3 times the question mark. The question mark is equal to 48 divided by 3, which is 1, which is 16. Okay, so you would write 12 over 16. So this says find the value of the missing side labeled, and all you do is you write 16 and you're done. Okay. So here you're given these two angles, and you're going to find out if they're similar. Okay, so all 4 angles are congruent. Okay, we know by, oh, lordy. Okay, so all 4 angles are congruent, so we don't have any problem with angles. You can hear the dog in the background. Okay, so, but we do need to figure out the sides and make sure they're proportional. Now, we're lucky in that 2 sides are the same in both of them, so we only need to do 2 ratios. So we need to do 12 over 16, and that's got to be equal to 21 over 28. So notice that I've gone consistently from left to right. Okay, 12 to 16, 12 to 16, 21 to 28, 21 to 28. If I had flipped those in some way, it would not, it would have been wrong. Okay, so let's divide 12 over 16 by 2. That's going to give us 6 over 8. Is going to divide again by 2. Is going to give us 3 over 4. Okay, let's divide 21 by 7. And we're going to get 3. And 28 divided by 7 is going to give us 4. 3/4 equals 3/4. Yes, they are similar. And the scale factor is 3/4. Okay, some people got confused on this. And so, given the dilation from figure A to, come back. Okay, given the dilation from figure A to figure B, okay, A to B. Okay, here's A, here's B. We're going from A to B. We're going from larger to smaller. Okay, it's a reduction. So it's a reduction. What is the scale factor? Okay, I have to pick a side. Any side will do, but remember how we talked about we want to use one of the sides or two of the sides that are on a line. So let me switch colors here. So let's choose a really easy one. So this side is equal to 1. Okay, and the one that corresponds to it is right here, and that's equal to 3. That's my scale factor. Okay, I could have also done, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 to 12, and then I would have had to simplify to 1/3. Either way, I got 1/3. Now, okay, a lot of people came up with 3. What's wrong with 3? Remember, a reduction, the scale factor is less than 1. And I wrote that on a lot of your papers. Okay, scale factor is less than 1. So you had to choose the ratio that was less than 1. And that's 1/3. It is not 3. Okay, I'm going to stop this video here and continue on the next one.